Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to publish your private package. First, the, the reason why you need to publish your private NuGet package, there's some situation you need to do it, like when you want to share your package or your DLLs between your project or between your company, and you don't want to use a uh, mm, uh, public NuGet feed to do it. You want to publish your own using your own internal company. That when you going to need to use a NuGet packet private. That's it often happen, especially when you working on the legacy system, and there's a lot of old DOL and still in use, but uh, uh, it not really like you can find somewhere else and you need to publish this, and it not really uh, uh, work well with the new tool like Visual Studio. There's different way to publish your NuGet package. Uh, there are a couple of ways, like you can publish straight away from Visual Studio, but today I'm going to show you how to publish your DLL, especially the old DLL, the legacy one, to your private repo in using the Azure DevOps artifacts. Let's get started. So at first, you head up to your Azure portal and go to the artifact. Um, so here's my artifact. Actually, I got a package already created, but you can create a new feed here by input your name. Let's say you're going to input like my private uh, uh, feed one, and then click create. You're going to let's say, yeah, so you got a blank feed like this, and then the next step is you're going to try to connect the feed. Click connect to the feed and choose Visual Studio here. So that's the information here you need to note down, like the name and the source of the package which you're going to use later on. Okay, let's go to step 2. Step 2, you head up to download packet NuGet Packet Explorer. Um, that link I'm going to put in the description below. You head up to the NuGet Packet Explorer GitHub, or the better way, get it from Microsoft Store. So go to Microsoft Store without link and get the NuGet Packet Explorer. It's tiny little program. It's very useful. Once you got that installed, the install step is really easy. Once you get that install, you come back to your Azure DevOps and get some information you're going to use later on. Go to the icon on the top right, user setting, and click person asset tokens, and then you can create your new token. Let's say I'm going to create the token name NuGet feed token, and then select the custom define and select the maximum time for it. That means I select the next year 2022 July, and then give it full access. When I click create, it's going to generate the token for you. Click copy to clipboard, copy it and save it somewhere else here in order to use it later. So that's good. You got the token. So you got the token here, NuGet fit. And the next step is going to okay. Next step is going to create the package to prepare for public. So if you go open the NuGet package manager, something like this. So you got the NuGet package manager, and then you add the new package. Right click on the right hand side, add lib folder, add I'm using the .NET Core for this sample, so going to add the .NET file net 5.0 as my sample for the .NET Core application. But sometimes if you using the .NET standard, you can not .NET using .NET framework, you can do like this, like .NET 5.1. So it's showing like the minimum version of .NET is 4.51 upward. It can work from 4.51 up to 4.8. So if you want to have the DLL work for all platform, you just put it a lowest version of .NET here. That means 4.51. You can do such way, or even you just can do this way, like add a new folder and then you put the net 451 here. It still work. So especially with the old system, you often using .NET 4.1 rather than using the .NET Core. So if and then you just drop your DLL in here and change some information. Let me change the information for that. So let's say if I got and I change is 1.4.3 and then I can publish my package. The reason I put 1.003 because I already published some NuGet package on my artifact here. So I got the version up to 1.002. So the next version going to 1.003. Okay, so let's click the save button and click save, and then click publish. So when you click publish, you need to input your public URL. Is where you find this one is the public URL is when you go to private feed and then you connect to the feed and then choose Visual Studio. You got the information here. That source is your URL using in public URL here. So you just copy that onto your notepad, and then also copy the name of it because we're going to use it later. So on your NuGet Packet Explorer, you put the URL in here and you put your public key in here, the path in here, which you create before. I think the path is something like that. You already copied and then paste it in here and then click publish. So and wait, I think around 10 seconds. Yeah, wait a bit. Publishing package. Oh, it takes a bit of time. It really takes a long time. This one. You know what's wrong with my still publishing. Oh, wait. There's something wrong with it. I don't know. Maybe some connection. Normally it takes around like few seconds to publish a package, but this one it takes a bit longer. Let me close it and try to do it again. Publish. There's something wrong with my. It not success because I already got 1.0.3. I mean, I already success the public that fit before, but somehow it doesn't showing. Yeah, I got a success here. It should have the success button, like you already succeed to publish the NuGet package. But anyway, uh, let's try to do another one. Like, or anyway, um, yeah, let's move to next step because it's that you already succeed to publish the 1.0.3. Try to consume it. So head up to your Visual Studio. So if you go to Visual Studio and then before you can use it, you need to add the feed into the Visual Studio first. Go to Option and then go to NuGet Package Manager Package Source, and then you add the new package source like that with the information you already saved it before. So let's say my private feed and then the link for it. The link for it here, and then click OK. Yeah. Okay. But I already got that one, so I'm not going to add a new one in. So I just delete it because I got my private feed here with the information I put in. Click OK and go to project and NuGet package manager. You got the screen like that, bro, and then you can see your private feed appear in here. So let's say if you go to your private feed and you can see the map router package already public. The latest one was 0.1003.3. Here you can click install it. And then it's going to install the package for you like you normally do with another NuGet package. So you can see here it install my map router here. That's the message here is saying I should use the .NET framework 4.8 instead of framework .NET Core 5.0 because this application is .NET Core, but I use that as a sample. But in your application, maybe you use .NET framework, you're not going to see that error. Let me try to publish another one, and then we can see how we can update the package that like the way we do with the NuGet package manager. So this time I'm going to create a .NET Core 5.0, and then I drag my DLL in again, and then remember you need to keep your name consistent, otherwise it's going to publish another one. So 1.00.4 and click save, and then click publish. OK, and wait again. Yeah, this time it successfully, quite quick. You got let's head up to your Azure artifact to see what it looked like. So go to private feed. So latest 1.00.4. Yeah, you can see here 1.0.4. That's good. You even can use a command to install this package by copy that command and go to the package manager console here, and that paste that command in and can run. But I'll show you using the visual tool, so it's easier. So go to NuGet package manager again, it open up. Go to update, and then yeah, refresh. So we can see the latest one is on the current version is 1.0.3. The newer version we are that published 1.0.4, and let's take it and click update. You're going to uninstall the old version and install the new version on. Yeah, that's done. This time it's using the .NET Core, so no error message here. But basically, this video is more useful when you work with a legacy system like .NET 4.5 or 4.8 .NET Framework rather than the newer system like .NET Core, because .NET Core you got other different way to do it as well. So, but with the legacy system, this way very good. Using the NuGet package and Explorer is really good with work really well with the old system. I think that's all for today. I think I showed you how to publish your private NuGet package to share between your organization in the different projects. I hope you enjoy it and it can save use some time. Happy coding. Thank you for watching.